good, Miss. I hearing a lot of people's like passions really inspired me to keep working on mine. Yep.
Yeah, it was a good activity to reflect on ourselves and learn new topics.
It's more of a thank you, okay, to the Vooya group. Thank you very much for spearheading today's event. We highly appreciate. And actually, I was not able to stay for a long time for in every breakout room because I had to move around. So, but anyway, whenever I came in to this group, I saw also those students whom I've never heard speak before. Okay, I heard them speak now, and then I was just at awe at how good they were able to present their dreams, okay, their fears. So definitely this will be remembered by our students because they have finally realized also what are their dreams and their fears.
Yes, actually, and then I also learned from all my students today that and then most of them, they said that they already started by reading books. That's really good and amazing. And then this is my 12 years in BINUS. I saw many students, they in the first time grade 7, they always join cross consultation, they keep trying, and then I see, and then okay, miss, and then we have cross consultation, until almost Maghrib, almost every day. And then when they come back to us, and then they come to school, to our school, miss, I will be here, I work there, I will be a flight attendant in international airlines. That's really amazing, how proud we are as a teacher.